Hey, we're going to check out the head spring first and then take a look at the boardwalk and the swimming area. And then we'll head over to the kayak launch and you can check that out. And then we'll take you on a loop tour of the cabins and then we'll finish up the video with the campground and a sample of the campsites. It's going to be exciting. Let's get going. Now we'll head over and check out the swimming area. Hey, now let's head down the main boardwalk and see some of the overlooks and the beautiful scenery here. It's just gorgeous. The trees are amazing. And we'll end up at the kayak launch and have a couple of shots looking down the St. Johns River. It's just gorgeous. Let's keep going. If you look closely, you'll see some baby manatees right here in this area. So awesome. Here's our first look heading down the St. Johns River. Just incredible. Let's head over to the kayak launch and check it out. Hey, here's an up close look at the cabins. They're just beautiful. Now, there is only 6 cabins, and they fill up quickly, but they're just awesome and really private and secluded. So check them out. Here's a good look at Site 19 at Blue Spring State Park. It is a back-end site. They have dump stations here, so just water and electric. Gravel sites, of course, but this one's pretty deep and gives you a nice setting here with the trees. There's your hookup right there. Here's a good look at your trees here. This is kind of where your awning would come out. It does have a fire ring. What's great about this site, though, is you can back up far enough and then have this area here for chairs, and it's actually quite nice. And then, of course, nobody feels like they're close to you at all. Very nice site. Site 19. Hey, we hope you enjoyed this tour of Blue Spring State Park, and we want you to keep up with us on these adventures, so please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get all the new videos as they come out. Also, give us a thumbs up if it was helpful to you, and leave us any comments. We love feedback. And until next time, get out there and get camping.